about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place.
Hey guys, we just want to say thank you for all of your support of the OIB Kahuna brand.
This year I designed our Stay Salty fishing boat tee, the Surf Jeep tee, and the Pelican's Perch OIB Kahuna Collab tee for 2021.
What we can be, life with no distractions.
We also recently did a photo shoot with one of our favorite OIB KahunaGirls, Kenzie, to show off the new designs.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can.
This year's spring pre-orders were actually such a huge success thanks to you guys. We sold out and had to restock immediately. And the Pelican's Perch Bar and Grill on the island, who also carries our stuff, actually almost sold out of all their stock too. We had to restock them, and so they have a whole new order in. And we got more stuff coming in now, so we want to say thank you very much. And the Pelican's Perch Collab tee is only available at the Pelican's Perch. So be sure to stop in, get some great food, and grab a t-shirt.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.